Hello, welcome back to another video, another unboxing video. Super excited about this one. This is the first time I ordered from the plant farm that is in Spokane, Washington. And I learned about it through a Facebook group here. It's a local Facebook group. We kind of share, what purchases that we've made locally and what stores are selling what. And pretty, I appreciate it. People posting like, oh, they found the Monsteras for $20 at your local Fred Meyer's, which is a supermarket here. Anyway, super awesome. And so a girl on the Facebook page, I forget the name of it. I want to say it's like Pacific Northwest Plant Lovers, something like that. And she had bought a Calathea White Star and posted it on the page. And that's how I found out about it. I've been waiting for a Calathea White Star for some time now. I've been seeing them they're mainly sold in the UK, and a person, I think, on Facebook was selling one for like 70 bucks. It was quite large. And I don't know, I just couldn't, I held out. I basically waited until I was able to find one at a reasonable price. And because I've been spending a lot of money on plants, if you've watched my unboxing video. So here's another unboxing video for you. I've been stalking this plant on Instagram. I really want to see this plant. So shall we open the box? Here we go. Thank you, Boca, for helping me. Yes, what's in the box, Boca? It's very exciting. Okay, can you? One of these days, you're gonna get hurt by these scissors. Mommy's gonna be very upset. Okay, here we go. Calathea White Star. I see them already. There's a bit of dirt. There's actually instructions. Very well made instructions. Laminated. It almost feels like it's laminated. Unboxing. Carefully do this. Transitioning. Repotting. Here's my receipt. And there's a bunch of peanuts. I see what they did. They feel very heavy. That's for sure. Let's see, how much were they? I don't remember. No, it doesn't actually tell me. I want to say they were $10 each. I got another one for my friends. So here it is. So this is very different from, let me take this one out of the bag so you guys can see better. It does feel quite heavy. I think they watered it a lot before they shipped it. Calatheas are not meant to be dried at all. So let's see. Probably should just use scissors. Yes, Volga, isn't it very interesting? Mommy's getting more plants. More plants! Here we go. It's a tiny baby. But it's exactly what I expected, a 4-inch, and it has quite a few leaves, and it'll perk up and it'll grow. So we're in good shape. There's a kind of like 3, I guess, pups, and there's a root popping out already. And I think they put the stick in, this little bamboo stick, to help it from kind of getting crushed on top because they had laid it down. So why am I so excited about this plant? Mainly because I love the white with the pink, and as the leaves get bigger, it gets more, there's like more white on the peripheral and pink in the middle. And the leaves in the back are purple. I'm going to say that there are signs of spider mite on this. Yep. There are white dots and this leaf that I'm holding right here, definitely looks like it's been eaten by spider mites. There aren't obvious webbings, but there's definitely a lot of white dots behind some of these leaves. I'm still very happy about the plants. Unfortunately, hey, leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone. Okay. I'm still happy about the plants. I am just a little paranoid about spider mites at the moment. And we will treat it. It's obviously good that you catch it early on, then you know you forget about it and you put it aside and you let it kind of sit next to all your other plants, and there's a big infestation, and then you gotta spray and use systemics and do all this stuff about it. It's quite, it's been giving me sort of like nightmares, I'm not gonna lie. I literally had a dream last night, a dream that one of my plants completely died. Like I woke up and it was just dead. Anyway, I'm still happy that I have this plant now. We'll obviously have to nurse it back to health, unfortunately, and we shall see how that goes. I'm not sure if I would recommend ordering from Plant Farm. I'm hoping that all their plants have spider mites on them, and we will see how they respond. But for the price of the plant, I think it was a good size. Expectations was met, minus the spider mites. And yeah, thank you for watching. And here's another Calathea White Star in my collection if I can keep it alive.